Welcome guys, just wanted to give you an update. It's been a while since I posted a vlog, but just wanted to keep you up to date. As always, we have some projects going, and last couple of weeks were pretty crazy with customers, and we didn't have a chance to work on our shop, but it's on our agenda for the next weekend. So at a tank swap on one of my trucks, there was an issue with one of the straps. It was pushing against the frame, and a little hole showed up, a crack, and we had to stop it really quick. So that's been being done. That's been done actually. It's kingpins, still transmission, looking for a hood for that Columbia, and found one actually, so we're gonna probably just paint it and put it on. Other than that, as far as freight and what's happening with the market, more tariffs coming today. I just read an article that might come again, more tariffs. Will probably choke a little bit the industry. We saw an uptick this week, but nothing crazy. Might be one-time thing, and we've been running consistently but significantly less miles, so not very happy about that. I'll probably post a little bit more about how we're doing as far as our trucking operation and what's happening there. I'm trying to see if there's anything else that I can show you guys, but just definitely very fortunate to acquire the shop, and the reason is I can control the maintenance better now with our used trucks. It's definitely something that you have to be on top of, and controlling your maintenance and controlling the expense of repairs and quality of work is definitely important. So that's been very helpful to us, and looking forward to it. It's always wanted to acquire a shop, and when we finally have it, it's definitely going to be helping us in future, and we're going to be able to. We already have customer base that likes what we do with our diagnostics and my good mechanics, and pretty much the turnaround that we have. Of course, there's improvements as always, and we're excited to make it the way we all wanted to make. We're all on the same page as far as what kind of service we want to provide and customer experience. So very fortunate to have a good team with me, and very excited about that. So thank you for watching. Subscribe if you haven't, and talk to you soon.